apparently this one is in Vilnius. So this is the BGC portal. So this is formerly Bonifacio High Street. Hail Mallrats, this is the OC Mallrat, and we are here at Bonifacio High Street. Actually, I'm not even sure if it's Bonifacio. It probably is. We're in BGC, Bonifacio Global City in Taguig, and it is January 2025, 26. They just installed the portal, and it is right across from us. Hey, so let's check it out. They just installed this portal a week ago, and from my understanding, this is a network of essentially two-way cameras, camera linked to another city. So this one is probably in, anyway, let's check it out first. It's hard to get a. So this is formerly Bonifacio High Street. So that's the portal on the right, and you have a bunch of people on the left. So this is the BGC portal, a bridge to a united planet. Portals exist in countries around the world. They invite us to meet above borders and differences. Tulay sa nagkakaisang planeta, ang mga portal ay matatagpuan sa iba't ibang bansa. Tayo ay inaanyayahan pagtapos sa kabila ng ating pagkakaiba. Portals.org. There's the QR code if you guys want to check that out. In partnership with BGC and I Love Taguig. Okay, so let's see the sponsors. It's United Neon Media Group. Globe. Okay. Habitus Design Group. Euro-Asia something, marble and granite. I guess they made the rock. Excel Contractors and Developers Inc. and CMC Contract Manufacturing something. Okay, so it doesn't really say anything else about it, but that's the portal. Okay, hello Eastern European ladies. That's snow, and I wouldn't want to live there. Snow, man, snow. Bye bye. That's it. It's a little evening there. That is more eastern. That's Baltic. So that's like almost yeah, almost Finland, Russia. There's some dude flossing. That is dude, right? I have no idea. Oh, he's back. While the people are just staring at the screen. You see, the attraction here isn't really the portal. It's the people. At the There's too many people here in front. Give it like a month or so and the novelty will wear off and nobody will even give shit. Oh, it cycles through different cities, I guess. This is a new view. It switched scenes somewhere with show snow. Where is this? Poland. Apparently there's a flag on top. So this one is Poland. I'm surprised those people are smiling. It's Poland after all. It is currently 11 p.m. here. It's around 5 hours behind us, I think, or 6. So it's around 3 to 6 p.m. Eastern Europe. Nobody gives a shit. Apparently this one is in Vilnius. That's Latvia, I think. Is it? What are those Baltic states? Right? Latvia. Latvia or Estonia, one of those. I just can't remember which one's Riga and which one's Vilnius. Hello, Eastern European ladies. Well, there we go, Mallrats. That was the new portal here at Bonifacio High Street, BHS, in BGC, Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. Yeah, we might make more content about this portal. I mean, it seems fun, unless they're actually live streaming it somewhere else too. Maybe on YouTube or a website or something. We'll check. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, see you guys in my other videos. Mallrat out. OC Mallrat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat